Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Do you want to become a home modification provider in Mississippi and enhance accessibility and safety in living environments? Learn the process in this video. In Mississippi, Home Modification Services provide physical adaptations to homes to ensure they are safe, accessible, and supportive, including wheelchair ramps, widened doorways, accessible bathrooms, and stair lifts, all to maintain independence. These vital services are available through Mississippi's Home and Community-Based Services, HCBS Waivers. For new providers first, contact the Mississippi Division of Medicaid, DOM, for provider requirements, and consult the Mississippi State Board of Contractors for any necessary contractor's licenses, particularly for residential work. Next, submit business registration, proof of compliance with building codes, liability insurance, and detailed service descriptions. Finally, obtain and verify all required licenses and ensure modifications meet safety and accessibility standards before receiving a Medicaid provider number and authorization to provide services. At Waiver Consulting Group, we support agencies and entrepreneurs in launching compliant home modification services across Mississippi under the HCBS waiver models. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to learn more.